Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a reminder on ClickUp. Maybe you want to prevent unnecessary notifications for tasks that have been already completed or no longer need announcements. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a reminder on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all the tasks and reminders that you have created. Now here, locate the reminder that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this reminder, so simply tap on it. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up, and here, you can now see this delete option, so simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully deleted a reminder on ClickUp. The reminder will now be removed from your homepage, making your workspace more updated and organized. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a reminder on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a reminder on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.